Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Redmi 17 isn't charging fast enough. So in such case, first of all, we have to unlock the smartphone and go to battery settings. Now let's go there step by step. Open settings, then scroll down to battery, then go to charging options and make sure to select speed up right here. Having selected this option, also make sure that you are using the original 45 watt charger for your device. Usually the watts are mentioned on the charging brick itself. For example, like we do have it mentioned here, although it's hardly visible. But if you take a closer look, you'll be able to spot that this charger, for example, uses 20 watts, which would not be enough to charge your device, your Redmi 17, fast. So you have to use the original fast charger. And also make sure that your cable supports power delivery and has no visible physical damage signs on it. Lastly, go to your device's settings and make sure that your Redmi is updated to the latest version. Go to About OS, select Xiaomi HyperOS, and check whether you have available updates. If you do, take your time to install the latest update version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.